Okay, so we're down to lesson 5 now. And here we are, your 30-day action plan. So we're going to copy and paste, copy. I've already pasted it in there. The prompt is act as a startup planning strategist. Create a 30-day action plan for launching my home-based service business in state, including validation, model design, compliance research, and marketing setup. Break into weekly milestones. So I'm going to insert, for me personally, home base health and wellness coaching service business in California. And let's see what it says. Hmm, it's still going. Okay. Here's a focused 30-day launch plan for your home-based health and wellness coaching business in California, broken into weekly milestones and daily mini projects where helpful. This is for education and planning only, not legal or tax advice. So week 1, validate and clarify the offer days 1 through 7. And then it provides you day by day, days 1 and 2, niche and problem clarity, days 3 and 4, outline your flagship program and pricing, etc. Day 5, demand validation conversations. Week 1, milestones. You have a defined niche, a draft 8 to 12 week signature one-on-one offer with provisional pricing and feedback from at least 5 real conversations, confirming the problems and outcomes land with your audience. Then we go into week 2, business design, compliance research and operations for days 8 through 14. And it gives you strategies here, your goals, what you need to do for those days. It's very, very detailed. And then the milestones for week 2, what you've done. Week 3, marketing foundations and lead generation, days 15 through 21. Goal, build a minimal online presence, clear messaging, and a simple path from visibility, discovery call, etc. What you're going to do for those days. Your milestones, you have a basic online home, one-page site, clear messaging, at least 5 ready to publish posts, and a visible book a call pathway. Week 4, launch, enroll initial clients and refine days 22 to 30. Same thing, very detailed. Week 4, milestones, and then quick weekly summary table. Week 1, primary focus, key outputs by week's end. So each week is listed. If you'd like, I can next turn this into a day-by-day checklist you can paste into your task manager with estimated time per task, or help you script your launch email and discovery call flow tailored to legal justice professionals. So once you get to the bottom, you can ask it, okay, I want you to help me do this, or whatever it is that you need help with. How much more detailed you want to go? Maybe you want to just stop here, figure out, is this something I can do realistically? Maybe you want to tell it, make it simpler. I don't have time for this. I'm still working my 9 to 5 job, and I can't incorporate all this realistically. Maybe stretch it into a 60-day plan, or however you need to refine it, but only you know what that best answer is for you, your schedule, the type of business that you want to start, the target market, how much time, energy, money you have, etc. So I hope these 5 lessons were helpful, and that you've learned something. And this is just the start. So Hopefully, this will get you motivated to start your business and have your guide and accountability partner come back to the classrooms here. The more people we get that will work on this project together, the more you will have each other to help as accountability partners, including myself. Feel free to ask questions. This part is a free community as it stands right now. I'm here to help you and coach you along the way. Thank you.